Kawasaki is launching the KLX230 Sherpa S ABS and KLX230 DF ABS for 2026. Kawasaki is leveraging the success of the KLX230, the model that both versions are based on, by replacing the motocross-inspired design with a more rugged look that it believes would appeal to a somewhat different market niche. The DF's enhanced off-road capabilities, especially with its longer travel suspension and many off-road-focused features, are highlighted by the design, which Kawasaki claims evokes a rugged outdoor rig. Kawasaki is launching the KLX230 Sherpa S ABS and KLX230 DF ABS for 2026. Taking advantage of the success of the KLX230, the model that both versions are based on, Kawasaki has replaced the motocross-inspired design with a more rugged look that it believes would appeal to a somewhat different market niche. The DF's longer travel suspension and several off-road-focused features highlight the vehicle's enhanced off-road performance, while Kawasaki claims that the appearance evokes a rugged outdoor rig. The KLX230 Sherpa S's low seat height, denoted by the S in its name, is one of its primary characteristics. The Sherpa S's 32.5-inch seat height should make it accessible to a variety of riders. A 21-inch wheel up front and an 18-inch tubeless wheel out back, along with suspension suitable for off-road driving, give it 8.4 inches of ground clearance despite its low seat. The Sherpa has a new dual-rate Unitrack mono shock with 6.6 inches of travel and a right-hand adjustable 37mm fork with a dual-rate spring and 6.2 inches of travel. The steel perimeter frame from the current KLX230 is carried over to the Sherpa S and DF. Skid plates and handguards made of aluminum are standard. According to Kawasaki, the Sherpa S weighs 300 pounds at the curb, but the DF is listed at 302 pounds. A single 265mm disc and twin-piston caliper are used up front on the Sherpa S and DF, while a single piston caliper and 220mm disc are used out rear. A convenient switch on the left handlebar allows you to disable the conventional ABS. The LED headlights on both models are layered. Riders may enjoy Kawasaki's Radiology app, which shows route recording, ride data, and vehicle information on the cockpit's basic LCD screen with Bluetooth connectivity. The fact that the Sherpa S and DF don't have the same Sherpa name is a little perplexing to consumers. The DF is, after all, best described as the non-S Sherpa or the Sherpa with a conventional seat height. Despite the name confusion, the DF has a few more features. The most notable of them is a longer travel suspension, 7.8 inches up front, 8.7 inches out back, that gives it 9.4 inches of ground clearance, which is an inch more than the Sherpa S. The seat height rises to 33.3 inches as a result. Although it isn't a very tall enduro, riders who want to spend a lot of time off-road will much appreciate the additional clearance. A little engine guard that extends over the exhaust pipe for additional fall safety is one of the DF's supplementary features. Additionally, a regular baggage rack provides some practicality and a rough appearance. Regretfully, the bike's luggage capacity is limited to 6.6 pounds. Given that both motorcycles have a 2-gallon gasoline capacity, that rating is adequate to carry an extra gallon of fuel even though it isn't conservative. Even if the Sherpa and DF are merely fashion exercises, they do capture the same sense of the outdoors that makes larger adventure bikes so alluring. Furthermore, why should a dual sport bike have a motocross-style appearance? Particularly if they don't need a radiator shroud and are air-cooled like the KLX230. They have a tool-like appearance due to their simplified style, which is suitable for their intended use and conveys a sense of worthlessness and indifference. In the end, a cheap, air-cooled, all-purpose motorbike is a timeless vehicle, and it doesn't have to be Kawasaki Racing Green. Whitish beige. The single color offered on the Sherpa S, and a hue that seems terribly dull, has its place. Just slightly more expensive than the KLX230 S ABS, $5,299. The 2026 KLX230 Sherpa S ABS and KLX230 DF ABS price for $5,699 and $5,799, respectively. Authorized Kawasaki dealers now carry both versions.